तर तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा टॉक्स विथ साईदत्त कामत आणि आमी गोंय उलयता म्हणटा आसतना आमचे आमदार खासदार कशा पद्दतीन उलयतात आणि आमदार खासदार जे कोण सद्याक आसात हांचेच मत जाणून घेवप गरजेचें आसना. जे कोण पॉलिटिकली एक्टीव आसात ते मागीर माजी खासदार आसूं माजी आमदार आसूं किंवा खंयच्याय पक्षाचो माजी नेतो आसूं तांचें मत जाणून घेवप गरजेचें आसता. आज आमचे बरोबर आसात अळडोणेचे माजी आमदार आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे नेते ग्लेनबाब टिकलो. सर, कशें दिसता वातावरण पळयल्यार? आज आमी बस्तोडा पंचायतीक आसात आणि हांगा कशा तरेन तुमकां एक म्हणजे आज अळडोणा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक कॅम्पेनिंग करता आसतना प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो?
टू बी व्हेरी ऑनेस्ट, आयज आमचो दौरो आमचो शिरेबर भाऊ आयज सेकंड टायम आमच्या अल्दोणा मतदारसंघात आयज ताणें विजीट दिल्ली आसा आनी 3 months बॅक तो आयिल्लो एंड इट वॉज व्हेरी गूड एट दॅट टायम. एंड ह्या फावटी एकदम बरो प्रत्येक आमी 10 आमी कॉमेंट्स केले म्हणजे वेगळे वेगळे कार्यक्रम with the minorities, with the Muslim minorities, with the Catholic, with all the Devasthan committees, with all the Mahilas, and it's ugly visits kela. It was very good, and of course Bahu also very surprised. And Bahuच्या खातीर and आमचे Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Modi, ताणें बरें काम केल्लें. ताणें आयज आमचे आयज भारत देशाक नांव दिल्लें आसा, बींग अ टॉप ग्लोबल लिडर. आनी 2 सिटां येवपाक this Uttar Goya and Dakshin Goya, he is always say is a lucky charm for Modi, because when Modi in 2000 when he started his first campaign before becoming the Prime Minister, he studied in Goa. So that time Manohar Bhai Parrikar bhi aslo amcho, late Manohar Bhai Parrikar, and of course things are going very well, and I'm happy to see the आयज आमी इतलो लोकांचो प्रतिसाद पळोवन in all the meeting was very good.
आज प्रतिसाद जरी बरो आसा, प्रतिसाद बरो आसतनाच एक खंय तरी एक मनाक एक खंय तरी एक शंका आसता, एक खंय तरी मनाक एक भंय आसता, कारण जो ओपोजिशन आसता तोय तितलो सादूर आसता, तोय तितलो स्ट्रॉंग आसता. आज उत्तरेक आमी कांय न्ही म्हणल्यार त्रिकोणी फायट दोनी कडेन आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. खंय तरी मदीं एक आयकुपाक येता की एक चवथो कोण तरी उमेदवारी आज येवपाचो आसा, इंडिपेंडंट रावपाचो आसा, अजून कांय कन्फर्मेशन आयलें ना. पूण सद्याक आमी त्रिकोणी फायटीचेर उलोवया. खास करून BJP वर्सीस काँग्रेस वर्सीस RG, ॲडव्होकेट रमाकांत खलप आणि RGचो मनोज परब. ही फायट तुमी खंयच्या पद्दतीन पळयतात? कारण लोक आज जर समजा तर एक उठले आणि ताणें म्हणलें की ना आमकां एक चेंज जाय, अशे थोडे लोकांचे विचार आसात की ना आमकां एक कोण तरी नवो फेस जाय, ओल्ड मागीर आसनी. तुमी ही सगळी फायट खंयच्या एंगलान पळयतले आणि खंयच्या एंगलान दिसता तुमकां की श्रीपाद भाऊकच लोक मत करतले?
बरोबर, दोग आसून कॅन्डिडेट 3 आसून 4 आसून आमचो भाऊ श्रीपाद भाऊ आतां राजकारणां ऑलमोस्ट जाली 5 टर्म्स एज MP. ताजे पयलीं खूब वर्सां पयलीं वॉज अ वॉर्ड मेंबर. ताजे उपरांत तो MLA जालो. ताजे उपरांत तो 5 times MP जालो. आफ्टर 5 times MP, out of 5 times MP, 3 times so he was a minister, union minister in the center. आनी त्या खातीर ताणें बरें काम केल्लें भारत देशान आनी आमच्या गोंयांत खूब ताणें प्रोजेक्ट केल्ले. आनी भारत देशान ताणें बरें काम केलें कित्याक ही इज ऑल्सो रेटेड एज द 10th बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग MP आउट ऑफ 543. सो ताका कितें तरी हें आसता न्हू, वी कॅन सी ऑल दॅट. एंड मोर ओवर Bahu has been a very simple man, down to earth, and a perfectly clean image. So people guys cover that this gentleman is has performed well, is a clean man. ताजे केन्नाय ताका वॉच ही म्यो तो ओळखीतलो, केन्ना तुका कोण भेदभाव करचो ना. and he is a very friendly sort of human being. So people love him. So कितले कोणूय योंग, 2 जाण योंग, 3 जाण योंग, RG योंग, नाल्यार काँग्रेस योंग, everything. He's got a clean image, that's all I can say. That's the reason people are going to vote for him and looking and vote for Modi as well.
आज म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी लोकसभेचो प्रचार करता आसतना ग्लेनबाब टिकलो जो फाटली 2 वर्सां जाली विधानसभेंतल्यान भायर आसा, तुमी म्हणटात की ही तुमची बी एक 2027 खातीर तयारी आसा?
अजून टायम पळय कितें जालें न्हू, हांव फाटीं पडलो, आय लॉस्ट माय इलेक्शन्स. एंड आय सेड वेल लेट मी 10 years I worked, लोकांचो आमचें बरें काम केलें, बरें संपर्क आसलें. it was a bit surprising as course of Pollo Puito. But it doesn't matter. Whatever happens, happens for the best. But that was a learning point. So after a few months, the whole thing changed. I am surprised myself, I don't know, like how you put a switch on and off. Lokani parat maga active kelo. Lokani active kelo maga, and today, after a few months, till date, I'm very, very active, and people are calling me every day for all the functions or whatever. They call me a lot of functions, and you won't believe. Today, I'm the ZP, no, Manisha Naik. I'm the ZP, Manisha Naik. In fact, according to Ticlo, at least he has done 10 jobs. The present MLA, who is in Aldona, must have done 1 or 2 jobs. And I'm a witness to all that because I've been all there. So you can imagine the way the Bharatiya Janata Party is working, or whether it's ZP, whether it's ex-MLA, or whether it's the present government, Honorable CM, Tanolaji, or Modi ji. That is the way we work. And the people have realized, they know the difference now. Because Amcha Connect was very, very strong with the people. As far as work, as far as Kimi Power Park, Kenna me konang white kurungna, dukongna, Kenna konache ek poisa gyongna, nothing of the sort. Our country was very, very beautiful. Everything was under control. There were no, as every day there's breaking news. As construction of Baldan, I think if I'm not surprised, I think in 2 years' time, if I'm not, almost about 70 to 80 construction have come. I'm not against construction. I'm not against the builders. But the system is no. And photo and आता फक्त misguide करपाचे दिशोबल करपाचे तेच चालू आहे with the present MLA of Aldona. Fair enough.
पण तुमकां दिसना की प्रेझेंट MLA जरी ऑपोजिशनाक आसा तांचे पार्टी ऑपोजिशनाक आसा म्हणजे हाव कॅन यू टेक दॅट मच एडवांटेज कारण तांचे वचून जी काँग्रेस पार्टी आसा दे डोंट इवन हॅव 5 seats. सो तरी तुमकां दिसता की ही इज दॅट मच पावरफूल.
That's what I told you, no? That's what I told you. ZP of BJP ZP, of Aldona ZP, has done, given an example of 10 jobs. If he had done 10 jobs, probably must have done 1. I'm not also sure if he has done 1 or no. Followed, no? But Kinata, now see, when I was there for last 10 years, and I'm fortunate I'm not there this time, whatever works were there, it's a continuous process. It's a continuous process. I credit Gopaji Goras now. Loka Kandir Kam Kutta. It's like doing seva for the people. But anga kitna le the moment or pratyek gozali आम्ही काम केले ते आपले आमचे फायली ते फुडें व्हरपाक जाय आपलो नोट जाय म्हणटा आय हॅव टू पुट माय नोट म्हणटा तो हिज नोट वॉज नॉट देर वेन केम टू द मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स द मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आय एम वर्किंग फॉर 2013 then on 13th of March I remember he gave a bite of 2 years of his completion saying that market complex nothing was done for last 10 years only there was a piece of paper a drawing paper there was no note and the file was lying in JSRDC. I didn't bother because I had the file actually. But I read the information, get the information. And the people started asking me, Sir, tu kita go get out there? We know you have done so much of work. We know how far you have processed. You are about to, immediately in this term get it done. Unfortunately, I could not get it last time because I'm so bhai boron aslo. This second term of mine. A little delay was there, but I got all the things done with the as far as the Aldona market complex. It's a very sensitive issue. It's more of sensational issue. Everything was done, but COVID disaster, pandemic, COVID-19. Then after that, suddenly elections came. Okay, when the NSC was supposed to given to me by the church, that somehow was kept pressed, and I assume and presume it could be nobody else but the same gentleman. Because, and finally, I remember when he got elected, as is a continuous process, I was happy he made a statement. Within 1 month, I'll put the market complex. Well, everything was there, no? You make a statement based, what is on the file. He said, I'll put up the building in 1 month. So why took you 2 years?
Correct.
Why did it take you 2 years? He wanted his note to be there.
So this is like something which is different from, I think, Lok Sabha elections. You are putting allegations on the current MLA of Aldona.
I'm not putting allegations. I'm saying the facts with documents.
Okay.
He didn't. Why you wanted waiting for 2 years for the building to fall, for people to die? Am I to blame the BJP, blame Honorable CM, blame Modi, blame Glenn Ticlo? When you made a statement that within 1 month I'm going to put a market complex, it's on record, it's on the video, he has made a media. So why took so long? You want his note? ती आमदाराचो note नाका, म्हजो notaची गरज ना. म्हजो सरकार सगळे आम note गरज ना, because it was a project of Deen Dayal under Panchayat Deen Dayal Golden Jubilee. So note is not required. So anga credit gopachi gorus na, my dear friend. We have to work for the people. That's what Bharatiya Janata Party is doing. Even schemes. तांचे स्कीम फक्त ऑफिसात पेपराचेर आसा. ते एक्झिक्यूट इम्प्लिमेंट करून ते एक्झिक्यूट जायना, कोणाक पावना, पूण आमच्यो स्कीम डायरेक्टली पावता. काँग्रेस हांव आतां मिटिंगाक येता, पण तांच्यांनी गृह आमी स्कीम केल्या, तांच्यांनी फॉर्मार पयशे घेतल्या. कोण मेंबर ऑफ द काँग्रेस पंच मेंबर. काँग्रेस पार्टी वे इलेक्टेड सपोर्टिंग द काँग्रेस.
तुमकां दिसता की हे लोकल इश्यूज जे आसा ते सुद्दां हांगा लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक भितर खूब काँग्रेसीक अफेक्ट करतले, ओपोजिशनाक अफेक्ट करतले, आनी this is going to put you in a very comfortable position in Lok Sabha election.
Yeah, see, I am working very hard. That is one of the points which will definitely, work in our favor. Ami Fati Parliament, because when I was an MLA for 2 terms, when it came to Lok Sabha election, we always led. The margin of about 500 or a little bit more than that.
मार्जिनाचे तुम्ही उलयता म्हणून एक सरळ प्रश्न आणि एक शेवटचो प्रश्न. My last question to you, Glenn Bob.
No, I didn't complete on what I was saying.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, we led with 500. And Ami Fati Parliament. But I tell you, this time we'll take a little more than 2,000 and give the vote will go to Bau and it will reach Modi. That for sure.
So you are very much confident that Aldona is going to vote in favor of Modi, in favor of Shripad Babu Naik.
Yeah.
But what do you think about North Goa? North Goa जरी तुमची winning strategy तयार असं तुम्ही म्हणतात, श्रीपाद भाऊ जिंकतलो म्हणतात. What is that figure you are pointing out that is going to give Bau a lead and is going to be a winning margin?
See, according to my view, Bau, we are targeting at 1 lakh and plus. But probably, see, win is a win. Whether 1 vote or 5 votes or 100 votes, 1,000 votes. But definitely, we will make sure that we come close to 1 lakh. And probably, we might even close more than 1 lakh. We don't know. But surely, Bau is going to sail through. Guaranteed. And also in South Goa, Srimati Pallavi Srivat Dempo will definitely also win there.
So you're 100% sure that BJP is going to win both the seats in Goa, and Modi ji will cross 400, up ki baar 400 par. Obviously, from party point of view, you will say yes. But what is that one thing you would like to say on this?
We will definitely be in the majority. We are targeting 400 par. But maybe, if not 400 par, will be somewhere a little less than that, but will be in majority. And we'll have a Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, for a 3rd term, and we need him for the 3rd term. Because he has taken our country, आमच्या भारत देशात त्यांनी already, which was 11th economy, even 11th is brought it to the 5th, and within 2 years will come to the 3rd. And Vikashit Bharat, आम्ही म्हणतात ना 2047, will definitely hitting at number 1. So we require Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji to be there in the chair again, because today we are proud of him. Even today our passport, when in his term, all time is our Indian passport. Today when you see, they say Indian, because I have been moving around, on and off, not much, but yes, they have a great respect, which we never had it at Congress time. So that is the confidence and the proudness, Abhiman asa, to have such a beautiful, powerful leader. And also Dr. Pramod Sawan is doing a fantastic job working around the clock. After late Manoj Parikar, we all were thinking, kida atale, question so going for atale. But Dr. Pramod Sawan, and of course our President, Tanauji, Saran Shetani, are really working.
So you absolutely don't have doubt on state leadership also, that it is working fantastic, is as you say.
Definitely. Election will prove it, no? The Lok Sabha election proved it. I mean, the assembly elections, we got 20. It was unfortunate over here. And then what happened thereafter? People who went to the Congress, which happened last time, and this time, all came back into the party. Why? Why did they come back in the party? What is the reason they come back in the party? They know they have no future. Kam kain opposition, Vikas opposition, kain opposition, when people want, why people want an MLA or an MP? Why they want to come as opposition, no? The basic commerce of Bak. Although the basic commerce is you take a bite anyway, ask any of the locals, you yourself go and find what's happening in the constituency. We have been moving for the last 1 month. Regular it's very sad, very sad. Construction here, you might say the present MLA. But लोकांचे difficulty issues are, it takes a back.
किती रिझन दिसता तुमकां फक्त कंस्ट्रक्शन चलता थंयच तो MLA कित्याक दिसता आनी बाकी कडेन कित्याक दिसना
कितें रिझन तुका दितलो ताका रिझन
ओके एनीवे नो रिझन रिक्वायर्ड जांकां समजुपाची आसा तांकां समजलें थोड्याक समजलें ना ताजेर आमी मागीर असेंब्ली इलेक्शना कडेन उलोवयास थँक्यू सो मच ग्लेन टिक्लो बाब फॉर जॉयनिंग अस इन गोवा टॉक्स तर तुमी पळयतात गोवा टॉक्स विथ साईदत्त कामत कारण गोंय उलयता आनी ग्लेन बाब टिक्लो जे जावन आसात हळडोणा मतदारसंघाचे माजी आमदार आनी बीजेपीचे लिडर तांणी खूब बरे तरेन विचार मांडले आनी ते म्हणटात की अबकी बार 400 पार जातलेच आनीक भावूक नॉर्थ गोवा 1 लाखाची लीड मेळटली काय ना हें आमकां 4 जुनाक कळटलें कारण 7 मे 2024 दिसाक गोंय मतदान करता आनी तुमी बी पळयत रावात गोवा टॉक्स विथ साईदत्त कामत ओनली ऑन RDX गोवा